Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari and we were discussing chapter 2 of Indian Penal Code, which is all about general explanations covered between section 6 to 52A. And in that series, this is my ninth video where I am covering two small sections, that is section 30 and 31, which is all about valuable security and a will. Not taking much of your time, let's get into the first slide. Basically, this presentation is a very small presentation where I have just one slide, and here we are understanding two sections, that is section 30 and 31. Section 30 discusses what is valuable security, and it says the words valuable security denotes a document which is or purpose to be a document whereby any legal right is created, extended, transferred, restricted, extinguished or released, or whereby any person acknowledges that he lies under legal liability or has not certain legal right. Quite an easy section. Basically, what is this? This is a document, or it purports to be a document or behaves like a document from which a legal right is created or a legal right is extended, that means increased or moved towards another, or it is being transferred from one person to another, or restricted or extinguished, that means removed or being released. Now any of these by a document or something which is purposed to be a document, or by which a person acknowledges that he has certain legal liability or he hasn't have any certain legal right. Now whatever is that is known as valuable security. Now to understand or to make it easy, we have one illustration here where A writes his name on the back of a bill of exchange. As the effect of this endorsement is transfer the right to the bill to any person who may become the lawful holder of it, the endorsement is a valuable security. Now this can be easily understood when we are studying banking law, that is the Negotiable Instrument Act. Here what happens? A person gives bill of exchange to another by signing it. Now the holder has the right over that particular bill, and that is considered as valuable security. Now that is how a right is created and it is being transferred. Now that is what we need to understand when it comes to valuable security. And as I said, when we are understanding Negotiable Instrument Act, we can understand this particular section in detail. There the act deals with this particular concept beautifully, and this concept is a major concept when it comes to Negotiable Instrument Act. So let us park it there and move to section 31, which is about a will. Now what is a will? That is a very easy concept. The properties can be transferred in two ways, one interstate, the other one via will. Interstate means where there are no documents available, and will means by testamentary document, by certain documents. If the properties are transferred from one person to another, that is known as will. And section 31 says a word will denote any testamentary document, or the words a will denote any testamentary document. I don't think there needs to be any further explanation on this, and this is a small presentation I did just to continue all the sections, and my next session is very important where we are understanding what is act and what is omission. Now that's a very important concept and we will join in that class, and with that I am handing over this presentation to Nishan.
It's a beautiful day and don't let it go away. Please subscribe our channel. Please like, share and comment our videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.